Welcome to this exploration of one of the most fascinating phenomena in quantum physics, quantum entanglement. Often called spooky action at a distance, this mysterious connection between particles defies our everyday intuition about how the universe works. Today, we'll uncover what makes entanglement so special and why it's revolutionizing technology. Quantum entanglement occurs when particles become connected in such a way that the state of one particle instantly influences the state of another, regardless of the distance separating them. Once entangled, these particles share a unified quantum state. This connection persists even if the particles are separated by vast distances, spanning across entire galaxies. The most remarkable aspect is that measuring one particle affects the other instantaneously, revealing information about both particles at once. Let's understand this with a simple example using particle spin. Imagine two entangled particles, which we'll call particle A and particle B. These particles have a property called spin, which can be either up or down. When we measure particle A and find its spin is up, the entanglement ensures that particle B will always have spin down. This happens regardless of how far apart the particles are. The particles show perfect correlations, as if they're communicating instantaneously across space. In 1935, Albert Einstein, along with physicists Podolsky and Rosen, challenged the idea of quantum entanglement. Einstein famously called it spooky action at a distance. His concern was fundamental. How can particles instantly affect each other across space? This seemed to violate locality, the principle that nothing should travel faster than light. Einstein believed there must be hidden variables, some unknown information that particles carry with them, rather than this seemingly impossible instant connection. In 1964, physicist John Stuart Bell changed everything. He proved that quantum entanglement is real and cannot be explained by Einstein's hidden variables. Bell derived mathematical inequalities that any local theory must obey. Quantum mechanics, however, violates these inequalities. Decades of experiments have confirmed Bell's predictions. The correlations we observe in entangled particles are genuine quantum effects. Einstein was wrong, entanglement is real, and nature truly allows these non-local connections. How do scientists actually create entangled particles in the laboratory? The most common method is called spontaneous parametric downconversion, or SPDC. Here's how it works. First, a high-energy photon enters a special nonlinear crystal. The crystal then splits this photon into two lower-energy photons. These two photons emerge with correlated properties, such as polarization and momentum. At this point, they are now entangled, meaning that measuring one particle will instantly affect the state of the other. Entanglement is the key to unlocking the power of quantum computing. In quantum computers, entangled qubits enable quantum parallelism, allowing multiple calculations to be processed simultaneously rather than sequentially. This property powers revolutionary quantum algorithms like Shor's algorithm and Grover's algorithm, which offer exponential speedup over classical computers for certain tasks. Entanglement also plays a critical role in quantum error correction, helping to detect and fix errors in these fragile quantum systems. Quantum entanglement is revolutionizing secure communication through quantum cryptography. The most prominent application is quantum key distribution, or QKD, where entangled photons create unhackable encryption keys between two parties. The beauty of this system lies in its built-in security. Any attempt at eavesdropping disturbs the entanglement, immediately alerting the users to the intrusion. This technology is already being used to build global quantum networks for ultra-secure communications. Quantum teleportation might sound like science fiction, but it's real quantum science. It's important to understand that this doesn't teleport matter itself, but rather the quantum state of a particle. Here's the process. Alice and Bob first share entangled particles. Alice then measures her particle together with the state she wants to teleport. She sends her measurement results to Bob through a classical channel, like a fiber optic cable. Finally, Bob applies specific operations based on Alice's data to recreate the original quantum state. The information has been teleported. Let's recap what we've learned about quantum entanglement. First, entanglement creates non-local correlations between particles, connecting them across any distance. Second, Bell's theorem proved that entanglement is real and not due to hidden variables, confirming the predictions of quantum mechanics. Third, this phenomenon powers transformative technologies including quantum computing, quantum cryptography, and quantum teleportation. Entanglement reveals nature's deepest quantum connections, showing us that reality at the quantum level is far stranger and more interconnected than we ever imagined. Thank you for joining this journey into the quantum realm.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.